In this video, I'm going to show you how we can reduce noise on our videos or on voiceovers on your Capcut videos using your smartphone. So I have here a Capcut video and you can hear it has a lot of noise. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'd like us to go ahead and reduce the noise on this track or on this voiceover. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead and select the track or the video if the audio is included in the video. So once it is selected, go ahead and move this bar until you see a function called noise reduction. And you can see we have here an option called reduce noise. However, it is a pro function. So if you click on it, you'll get to this reduce noise. Go ahead and toggle this. And now let's go ahead and listen in afresh. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And look at that, our voice is now much better. The background noise has been removed. So once you're done, go ahead and click on this tick to apply the effects. So that's how you apply noise reduction in Capcut. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.